I'm back with another advent calendar unboxing. I'm really excited for this one. This is our advent calendar. I was super confused when I got this advent calendar because, hold on. You open it up and then it's what the advent calendar is supposed to look like. Like this. So last year, Mac came out with an advent calendar and I wanted to open it up for you guys so bad, but it was so expensive. And they lowered their price this year because now they're only doing a 12-day mini advent calendar. And this one was $99, so it was a little more, you know, doable, I think. Here's everything right here. So I got mine at Ulta, but I think they are selling it on their website. I know that their website has had some really amazing sales recently, so definitely take a look. Click the link in my bio or my description, take a look at the link in my description to see where you can pick this up. But without further ado, let's jump into it and let's open up this Mac mini advent calendar. They come in little pizza slices. And we're just gonna open it up, pull it out. It's got little tissue paper. This one feels like a full, it is a full size. So the first thing that we have in here is a full size Velvet Teddy lipstick. To be honest with you, this is such a good place to start, but it makes me worried that we won't be as excited for the rest of the stuff. But this is amazing. This alone is already $19 and it's such a pretty shade. It looks so good on so many people, and this is actually one of my go-to shades. I'm all for it. I like that they wrap them all up in tissue paper. It makes it more exciting. Oh, another full-size product. We have the All That Glitters eyeshadow as a full-size product. Let's do a little swatch. Definitely like a really pretty shade. Nothing like super over the top or wowing me about the shade, but I know that when I used to work at MAC, it was definitely a shade that was bought a lot and used a lot. Today, feels like we have a mini. Oh, cute. We have the MAC strobe cream, just a little baby strobe cream. So strobe cream is just like a highlighting like primer, I would say. You could definitely use it as like a highlighter too, but I would definitely say this is more of like a moisturizer, something you would use like prior to your foundation. It does look super, super pretty underneath foundation, and they did start to like extend the colors a little bit so that there's more than just pink light. Or what is this? Oh my god, it's so cute! It's a little mini In Extreme Dimension mascara. I actually do really like this mascara from MAC. It was also like a top seller, so this is super cute. It's adorable! 5. It's a little baby lipstick. So to give you guys a comparison, here's a full size, here's the mini size. Honestly, I do not go through, I think I say this all the time, I do not go through makeup products, so I love minis. This is the shade called Cockney, and it's like a red, a shimmery red with like kind of like a gold glitter. Not my favorite red from MAC, but it is definitely a really pretty red. Day number 6. I think I know what this is. Ooh, we have a little mini gloss. Another thing that I never go through. This is in the shade Oyster. Oh, they're definitely doing a lot of their most popular products in this advent calendar. This was another one that would always be like out of stock. Oyster Girl. It is such a pretty like iridescent pink. I would so put this on right now if I didn't have bright red lipstick on. On to lucky number 7. I like that they're pizza slices. Oh, I think this is another full size. Oh, it is. It's Wedge. So we have a matte eyeshadow. This is Wedge. I think this is such a good transition color. I love this one. I love soft brown. I love Brun. Brun is not a transition color. It's more of like a deep, dark matte brown, but I love some of the matte eyeshadows from MAC. Number 8. Another little lipstick. This is called Craving. So it's another creamy lipstick. It's in like this really pretty rose shade. Not my kind of shade, but definitely really pretty. I like that it doesn't have like that shimmer to it. I don't know, I'm not like a shimmery lipstick kind of person. 9. Oh my God, is this another? Oh my God, it is. It's another full-size shadow. So this is Carbon. This is MAC's Black Shadow. Wow, this was actually such a good addition to this whole set. Wow, I'm impressed. I've opened this already, but like I'm just still so impressed. That's already, we have 3 days left and we have 4 full-size products. Okay, on to number 10. Feels like a gloss. It is. We have a lip gloss in the shade Spice. Spice lip liner is my absolute favorite lip liner ever from MAC. I've actually gone through, I think, 3 of them, and it is the epitome of this shade. It's the exact same shade as that. It is so pretty. It's like this burnt orange meets nude shade. I love you. 11. 11. Oh my God, another gloss. Magically Delightful. This looks like it would match the other, no, maybe not, I lied. Oh, this is kind of cute. This is kind of like if Spice and that other lipstick had a baby. If all the other lipsticks and stuff we opened had a baby, it would be this gloss. I've actually never heard of this shade before, surprisingly. Magically Delightful. And last but not least, number 12. Let's see which one they ended on. They ended on another mini lipstick. This is in the shade Diva. One of my favorites from MAC, literally matches my nails perfectly. Swatch it for you. It is the prettiest berry shade ever. Diva and Sin, I absolutely love from MAC. So that was a really good one to end on. All right, so overall, we have 4 full-size products. We have 3 full-size eyeshadows and 1 full-size lipstick. These are about $19, $20 each. So already I feel like you're getting your money's worth because you have 4 full-size products in this little box. Of course, you want to make sure you don't have these already because, to be honest with you, when are you actually going to go through an eyeshadow? Maybe you do, I don't know. I just know myself and I very rarely go through products. Velvet Teddy, I definitely will need another one very soon, so I'm very happy to have another one of these. But as for eyeshadows, I don't know if I go through them that fast. Then you got 3 glosses. I believe these are like $10, $12 a piece. 3 mini lipsticks, which I think are about the same. I know that Ulta sells the mini lipsticks right at the little carousel, like right in the right by the register to like keep you busy. I always want to look through those too, and they're always like, next, I can help you over here. I'm like, no, I want to look at the mini stuff. But 3 full-size lipsticks. And then finally a mascara, which I do believe is also $10, and then the mini strobe cream, which I'm not even sure if they do sell a mini strobe cream like on its own. Overall, I think that this advent calendar was definitely well worth it, especially if you are a MAC lover. There were some of the shades that I didn't really love. Like, I'm not obsessed with these 2 lipsticks right here, but honestly, everything else I can definitely see myself reusing and re-wearing or wearing in general. Very, very happy with this advent calendar, especially because I did purchase it myself. Let me know what your thoughts are below if you are going to pick up this advent calendar. I definitely think this is worth it. I'm giving it a thumbs up. I really like it, and I hope you guys like it too. So let me know if you grab it or if you have it already. If you are here at the end with me and you didn't watch the video because you wanted it to be a surprise, you just wanted to know if it's worth it, I hope that you think it's worth it just like I do, and you go ahead, pick yourself one up, and then join me on Instagram stories to open these up with you every single day throughout December. But love you guys. I'm so tired. It is literally almost 5 o'clock in the morning, and I have one more advent calendar to film for you tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'm gonna have a snack, and then I'm just going to pass out. So I love you tons, and I'll see you in the next video.